10 documents you must have when building in Lagos. So let's say you've bought that land, ready to build the mansion of your dream in Lagos. And you can already see the housewarming party in your mind with DJ Maker on the turnover, small chops everywhere, and your friends screaming, "I love this house." But before you break the ground, you realize you are missing some essential paperwork, turning your housewarming party into a demolition squad alert. Building in Lagos can turn into premium wahala real fast if you don't have the right document. So today, I want to talk about the 10 must-have documents to make sure your mansion doesn't end up as a rubble. Number 1, survey plan. This plan doesn't just sit pretty in your file cabinet. It's the maps that shows the size, shape, and boundaries of your land. Lagos no dey smile o, so if your land go trespass lasan enter government land or your neighbor backyard, demolition fit happen without warning. So it's best to get a qualified surveyor to avoid any land drama. Number 2, architectural drawings, which must be sealed, signed, and stamped. Omo, no be anyhow drawing you go submit. Your architects must be registered on ARCON. That is the Architects Registration Council of Nigeria. These drawings are the blueprint of your building, and without them, that means you are just building blindfolded. Plus, with no ARCON stamp, that means your building permit no go pass, and Lagos State fit show up unannounced. I mean say, no sealed drawing equals stop work order. Number 3, tax clearance certificate, TCC. Lagos State love its tax like jollof rice. So if you've not paid your dues, then forget about building permits. With no valid tax clearance certificate, Lagos State will treat your project like a squatter scam. They won't even look at your application. So you better pay your dues and keep your building projects moving without any embarrassing moments. Number 4, land use charge receipt. Don't just assume your land is automatically for building houses. This receipt actually shows whether your land is for residential, commercial, or industrial use. Imagine buying land for a mansion only to find out that the land is meant for a factory. That one na double wahala. This document helps you to avoid serious mix-ups that can lead to fine, delay, or even worse, someone coming to knock on your door and saying, "Sorry, we are going to demolish your house for misuse of land." Number 5, proof of ownership. You must prove that the land is truly yours with documents like certificate of occupancy, which we all know as the C of O, one of the most secure land title in Nigeria, giving you peace of mind over your investments. Or a deed of assignment. Without this document, it's just like you are building on sand. And if Lagos State law enforcers arrive, demolition no go even add them. You don't want to wake up one day and see your house marked with a red painting for demolition because of ownership issues. All this premium wahala can be avoided. Trust me, all you need to do is call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen now to reach out to us at landproperty.ng. Number 6, structural drawings. These are the serious drawings of how your house will be constructed, from the foundation, columns, wall, and so on. It's not just about look. It's about making sure your house doesn't collapse like a pack of cards. And Lagos State inspector will check these drawings to make sure that it is very, very solid. And without them, your house might not even pass the first inspection. Number 7, structural stability letter. Imagine you build a 4-story building and one day you notice that the house is tilting, all because you didn't get a structural stability letter. A certified engineer will give you this letter after confirming again and again that the house is solid, stable, and safe. And if Lagos inspectors arrive and this letter is missing, sharp the project will be hot. Don't play with your safety. Nobody wants a house that wobbles like a maker's excuse. Number 8, structural engineer supervision letter. This letter proves that a structural engineer is overseeing the construction of your building. Lagos inspectors no wan hear say carpenter sef don dey supervise foundation o. With this document, you are telling Lagos State that don't worry, professional hands is in charge. And without it, your project can be labelled a risk. And trust me, you don't want this kind of trouble. Number 9, Subsoil Investigation Report. Lagos soil no be beans. Some areas have waterlogged or unstable soil, so this subsoil investigation report will reveal any potential ground issues. And trust me, demolition crew no dey waste time for building wey no get strong foundation. Imagine them calling your building a pile of sand after spending all that hard-earned money. After the heavy rain, you better get a subsoil investigation report and don't let that be your story. Number 10. Electrical and mechanical drawings. Nobody wants a mansion where light and water are a battlefront. Electrical drawings shows how lights, wiring and circuits are arranged, while the mechanical drawing includes the AC, plumbing and ventilation. If these things aren't drawn up properly, your house might end up as a fire hazard or a flood waiting to happen. And Lagos State inspectors will demand this for safety reasons. So make sure they are done right. Safety first before fine finishing. In fact, the bottom line is, without this 10 documents, building in Lagos will be like dodging potholes in rainy season. One wrong move and boom, you're already into premium wahala. So get your paper in orders today, and your dream home will stand tall without any government issues. My name is Promise from landproperty.ng. We specialize in helping Nigerians in diaspora and of course Nigerians in Nigeria to make smart future-proof investments right here in Lagos without stress. So call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen now to reach out to us. And before you leave, we've got other amazing content you love. Be sure to check the next video and the recommended ones. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment with your thoughts.